Greetings from Ngramium Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Have you ever wanted to add vibrant community to your WordPress site without changing your theme? What if I told you that you can seamlessly integrate a thriving community experience without disrupting your existing design? Welcome to today's video. I will be showing you exactly how to add community features to your WordPress site using BuddyBoss ReadyLaunch. No subscription, no complicated setup, and no need to overhaul your theme. BuddyBoss is already helping thousands of community builders, course creators, and WordPress site owners create smooth, engaging community experience. And with the latest ReadyLaunch feature, you can now get started faster than ever. ReadyLaunch is perfect if you want to quick integrate community feature without switching themes or rebuilding the site from scratch. So let's dive right in. I will walk you through the entire setup process step by step. To get started with the BuddyBoss ReadyLaunch feature, first we will go to our WordPress dashboard. From here, if we go to Appearance, Themes, we will see that we have the Astro theme activated. And if we check the front end, let's go to the home. So this is our website which has the shop as well. Now let's back to the WordPress dashboard, and from the plugins we'll click on Add Plugin. And first we need to do is we need to activate the latest version of the BuddyBoss platform, which is free. I will put a link in the video description so that you can download the free version. Now we will upload the BuddyBoss platform. Let's choose the file first. Our BuddyBoss platform has been uploaded. Now we will click on Install Now. Our plugin has been installed. Now we will click on Activate the plugin. After activating the BuddyBoss platform for the first time, you will see a pop-up giving you two options. Purchase the BuddyBoss theme, which is Pro, and get started with the ReadyLaunch. Now you might be wondering, what is the difference between the ReadyLaunch and the BuddyBoss theme? Great question. ReadyLaunch is ideal if you want a quick community setup with a simple, clean, and community-focused layout. It's completely free and the part of the free version of the BuddyBoss platform. So for now, we will be configuring the BuddyBoss platform and we will configure the ReadyLaunch. On the other hand, BuddyBoss theme is a premium option with more customization features, third-party integration, and advanced design flexibility. Perfect for creating a more complex Facebook-like layout. For example, if we click Buy Theme, we will see the theme details in here. So this is the theme details. For this tutorial, we will stick with the ReadyLaunch. Let's click on Configure ReadyLaunch. Once we select the ReadyLaunch, you will be taken on the quick setup wizard. Here you can configure a few key details for your details. For example, the site name, appearance mode, and the branding. So first we'll configure the site name. Now we'll click on Next. From here, the site appearance, we can configure the light mode, we can choose the dark mode, even we can choose the both. For this video demonstration, I will be choosing the both. After that, we will be clicking on Next. Here you can upload your site logo, choose a color scheme, and ensure your community's design aligns your brand quality or brand identity. So let's upload the logo first. For the light mode, we'll click on plus icon and we'll select the file from here. So this is our first logo and we'll upload the logo so this is our second logo. We will use this one, and the primary color we can change it from here. We can change the primary color for the dark mode as well. For now, we are keeping this as the default and we'll click on Next. In here, we can configure the pages. Don't worry, everything is fully customizable and you can tweak these settings anytime later. Let's configure the page. We want the login and registration, and let's talk about the course integration. If you are using LearnDash or MemberPress, BuddyBoss ReadyLaunch will automatically enable course feature. For example, we can configure or we can enable the courses. And if you are using Tutorial MS, great news, BuddyBoss integrates seamlessly with it too. I will be covering that in a separate video, And if you don't know how to install and configure the tutorial LMS, I have a separated video as well. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. So for now, we will click on next. From here, we can configure the side menus. You can also configure side menus and widgets right from the setup. ReadyLaunch gives you the full flexibility to arrange these elements however you like. For example, if you want the activity feed, we can enable or disable that as well. And if we can drag and drop, we can do that too. So your community layouts fits your audience needs perfectly. And after that, we'll click next. And we have the configuration for the sidebar. For now, we will keep this as the default and we'll click finish. And that's it. Your BuddyBoss ReadyLaunch community site is fully set up and ready to go live. You can always revisit the setup wizard settings and configurations later if you'd like to make any changes. And I will show you exactly how you do that. So let's go back to the WordPress dashboard by clicking this platform settings, open settings. After activating the BuddyBoss platform, you will get an admin menu called BuddyBoss. And from here, you can go to the ReadyLaunch tab. From here, you can easily toggle between ReadyLaunch on and off anytime. For example, this one, you can toggle. If you disable it, the ReadyLaunch template will be turned off. But don't worry, you can reactivate it anytime with just a few clicks. Under the ReadyLaunch settings, you can upload logo, you can change the site name, which will be configured on overall the website. From the styles, you can change the appearance, you can upload the logo, you can change the theme color. From the pages and sidebar, you can configure the page, you can configure the sidebar widget. For example, if you like to show the complete profile widget, you can configure the member profile, if you can configure the group about, and so on. And you can configure the menus as well. For example, the side menus, activities, members, message, and notification. And the links that you are seeing, you can add the links as well. For example, give a title first, title shop, and let's copy this shop page. Let's copy and paste it in here and the save. This is how you can add the custom links. One great thing you will notice is the new improved admin interface. It features instant saves. So you no longer have to click save after every changes. For example, the enable page settings, if I disable this, you will see the settings has saved automatically. For now, let's enable this one. And here you have it. Your WordPress community is ready to welcome members, fully powered WordPress ReadyLaunch. Now let's check out our community and see how ReadyLaunch looks on the front end. So if we go to the BuddyBoss pages and try to visit the member page and the activity page, we will see we don't have any member. Currently I have only one member, which is admin. And if you go to the activity, we don't have any activity right now. For this video demonstration, I will be generating some demo content. To do that, we'll go to tools, default data. For example, we would like to import data for members, profile fields, connections, activity post, private messages. For the groups, we need members, activity post, forums, discussion, and replies. Now we will click import selected data. It will take a few seconds to import all the data that we have selected. As you can see, all the data has been imported. Now if we revisit the pages, for example members page, we'll see our members. And if we see the news feed or the activity feed, if we reload this one, we'll see some of the activity. So we have seen how to configure everything and what it looks like on the front end. Now let's make these pages easily accessible to the visitor or WordPress site visitors. To do that, we will add them to the navigation menu. To do that, we'll go back to our WordPress dashboard. from the appearance menus. So this is our main menu. In here we'll go to the BuddyBoss and we can add the pages for profile, for the account. For example, let's add the account. So let's add it to the account. We can make it to the drop down, and if we go to pages, view all or recent, we will see the news feed. Let's add it to the menu and we will hit save the menu. Now let's revisit the home page. So this is our website. Now if we go to the news feed, so this is our community. Now as you can see it in here, we can't post it right now. To make this available, we need to go to our WordPress dashboard. From the BuddyBoss admin menu, we'll go to components and we'll enable media uploading. After activating that, we'll revisit the news feed and reload this, and as you can see in here, we can now post. For example, let's post it in here. Hello community, and post. So this is our community and you can see all the members in here. We can follow them or we can connect them, we can revisit them, we can message them as well. The menu that we have added, from here we can go to our own profile, we can edit our profile, we can change the account settings, can change the themes. For example, we can move to the dark mode. So this is the dark mode. So this is how easy it is to create the community feature on your website using BuddyBoss ReadyLaunch. That's it, a fully functional community integrated seamlessly with your existing WordPress site. The site is using Astra theme, and this is our home page, and we have the shop page, and if we go to the news feed, we have the community. With the ReadyLaunch, you have effortlessly added a community to your site, customized it to reflect your brand and ensure a smooth interactive experience for your users. If you have found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and leave a comment telling us what you are most excited to build with the ReadyLaunch. We would love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next WordPress and BuddyBoss updates.